Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we will be discussing how to borrow money from Cash App. Are you having trouble borrowing money from your Cash App? Don't worry, this video will help you find a solution. Just follow this easy step-by-step process. The first step is to check your eligibility. Open your Cash App and go to the banking section. Now check if you see a borrow option under the banking section. Eligibility depends on several factors including your credit history, how frequently you use Cash App, and your state of residence. If you do see a borrow option, you'll need to unlock it. Tap on Borrow and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the feature. After that, choose the amount you wish to borrow. You can select any amount between our $20 and our $200, keeping in mind that a 5% fee will apply and the repayment period is 4 weeks. Next, review the terms carefully. Make sure you read through the loan agreement before accepting any conditions. Lastly, ensure that you repay the loan on time to avoid additional charges or penalties. Thank you for watching.